I'm gonna name it Crazy Animal Board.
He's only gonna do the
What
bird
Sandy
on
on?
the mouse.
They put. Hey, please lock that door. Hey, open the door.
No way.
You're back. Somebody thunder and lightning.
Oh shit.
Oh crap, it's raining.
Maybe he'll go home now when it's raining.
Nope.
Got it, Kyle?
Yep. 30 seconds in the video. Hey, knock on the window. Hey, what Freddie doing over here? Sandy?
Hi.
Freddie.
What's the matter? What'd I ever do to you? Huh? What'd I do to you?
He likes you.
Do you want? Do you guys want to go to the mall and leave the board alone?
I'm not going out that door. Here, hold this, Mom. I gotta fix the door.
You want to hold the phone? Oh, you got it.
It's
He gets in that door, you'll never get him out of here.
Yeah, it just flew open, so.
I threw him a cracker and he didn't go get it, so he ain't hungry.
No, he wants me. He wants to eat me.
He's hungry.
Oh, the bicycle game,
Look,
right?
he is trying to get you.
I know.
I think he loves you.
Holy crap, girls, come here. Come
Come.
on. Come on.
Come over here.
Come in. Look at this. Come on, just stand right here.
The boards.
It just tried to get her again. And now it's on our porch trying to get her through the window.
Hey, you should break the window open.
No, I don't think so, Kyle.
I don't know.
Come here, Brady, get this.
Hold on. I have to get the girl's towel.
There's rabies?
We don't know.
Well, we don't know that. We don't know if it got rabies.
I'm pretty sure he does.
Dude, I ain't coming out for you, so you might as well go home.
Hey, we should close the blinds. Close the blinds.